In this video, I'm going to show you how you can store documents, images, JPEGs, PDFs, and even audio files from the WhatsApp messages incoming as well as outgoing to the CRM. And these documents can be stored up to 1 year inside our system. Sometimes WhatsApp removes documents within 7 days of sending or receiving the documents, so saving the documents for 1 year inside our CRM gives you a lot more time. Now let's say you're running a veterinary clinic and you are requesting certain information from the pet owner in order to start the new client intake form, for example, the microchip certificate, for example, the vaccination book, and so on. They send it typically to you via WhatsApp. With one click of a button now, you can store it under documents. Let me show you how that looks like. So let's navigate to conversations on the left, and here we have some conversations going. Right here you can see an image has been sent from our customer, for example. You would then just click the 3 dots right here and click Add to Documents. Top right corner, you can see the attachment has been added to the documents. Now here on the right hand side, you have the Documents menu. Click on it, the Documents part shows up, and right here you can see that image has been stored. You can click the 3 dots and you can then download it, share on client portal, or preview it. Let's click Preview, and tada, it is the same document that has been sent within the message. And remember, that also works for MP3s, and it goes both ways. You're receiving the message as well as when you send a message. For example, you send an invoice via the message thread, and you could also add the invoice to this particular document series. If the media has already expired within WhatsApp itself, then the save document action will fail. Just request a contact to resend the document and then make sure to store it within our CRM. And in case you didn't know, you can do the same thing with SMS and emails that go into the same conversation thread. You can from there save any document sent by SMS, email, and WhatsApp. Only the users who have access and permissions to your Conversations tab, as well as to the documents, can save those documents. So make sure you give your users the permissions to do so. Should you want to delete the media from the document section, that will then only be removed from the document section, not from the actual message itself. Well, I hope you like this feature, which will help you to store your documents in one place safely and save them from being deleted by WhatsApp. Make sure to check out all of our free white label videos and snapshots linked in the description below. I will see you over there.